is the same amount as Mr. Beast. So what happened with the Dairy Queen S'mores Blizzard Ben and Pierre?
The new Summer Blizzard menu has came back for the summer season.
What flavors did they bring back for summer? They brought back mixing bowl mashup, confetti cake, dipped strawberry cheesecake, cotton candy, and S'mores.
Yeah, they did. And the commercial's coming up now. Oh look, it's starting. Watch Tom.
Okay, Ding Dong Leak.
The new DQ Summer Blizzard menu has such a stacked lineup, it calls for a
trade proposal.
My s'mores for your mixing bowl mashup.
Sussy bata.
trade up to the new DQ Summer Blizzard menu. With new mixing bowl mashup plus fan favorite s'mores, nothing says summer like baseball in our new Summer Blizzard menu.
You drive a hard bargain, kid.
Right now at DQ.
DQ. Happy tastes good.
We got to go to Dairy Queen, Tom. There's already some flavors that will eventually disappear. Believe it. We ain't got no plans to leave it. Tell all of your friends to be here. We ain't got to sleep on weekends. Oh, you know, that's the motto.
We gotta go, Tom, or we're gonna miss Summer Blizzard Day for all of us.
Okay, I like my cheese dripping.
Welcome to Dairy Queen. What would you got for today? You know we brought back the Summer Blizzard menu.
Would you look at our orders through the app, please?
So I thought you ordered 3 different Blizzard flavors. You Pierre ordered confetti cake, Tom ordered the Seamers Blizzard, and Ben you ordered the cotton candy Blizzard.
Indeed.
Why, I'm gonna get all of you guys' orders. Here I have your best Blizzards. Have a good day.
Thanks, and I know what you're gonna say. Happy tastes good.
Now, oh yeah, that's right, you all have an awesome summer vacation.
Finally, we can have some peace. The Upier and the Orange Cat henchmen need a break from the work at Tomley. Egg.
Exactly.
Yes. This is surprisingly delicious. I love it.
Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. But everything gon' be alright. Gonna raise a glass and say,